Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. Welcomes to Muhammad Amir Zia Math Academy. Today I'm going to derive quadratic formula. So how do we derive or prove quadratic formula? So we start from the standard form of quadratic equation, which is ax square plus bx plus c equals. No, this is standard form of quadratic equation, general form of quadratic equation. Now we use we derive the quadratic formula by using completing square method. So we use completing square method to derive this formula. Now first step is we need to divide the both side of the equation by the coefficient of x square, so which is a. So we divide each term of the left hand side by a and also right hand side by a. So here we have x square plus b divided by a times x plus c divided by a, and 0 divided by a is 0. So we will do all the steps for completing square method. So first step, which is to write the equation in standard form. So this equation is already in standard form. Now we need to divide both sides of the equation by the coefficient of x square, which is a. So we just divided and simplified. Now the third step is we need to shift the constant term. So here we need to subtract c divided by a from both sides. So if we subtract it, we get here negative c divided by a. Now the next step is just we take the half the coefficient of x and then square it and add this square to both sides. So here the coefficient of x is b by a. We just take the half of this, which becomes b by 2a, and we take square and add this to both sides. So x square b by ax plus b divided by 2a. We just add this term to both sides of the equation. Now next we have to simplify the right hand side. So just we do simplification here and we simplify the right hand side while the left hand side becomes a formula because it's x square plus b by ax plus b by 2a whole square. So it's a completing square formula. It's a completing square formula and it becomes x plus b divided by 2a whole square. And here on the right side we just do simplification, so we get b square divided by 4a square, and then we have negative c divided by a. So here we take the LCM and we just do their simplification, so we get b square minus 4 times ac, and then we take square root on both sides. So if we take square root on both sides, we get b by 2a equals to square root of b square minus 4 times ac divided by 4a square. Now here we have plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac and square root of 4a square equals to 2a. So here we have 2a. Now we have two fractions and we just like to take the LCM. The denominator are same. So here we have x equals to 2a is the LCM, and we have minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac. So this is called quadratic formula.